The Wahoo, a name that sends shivers of excitement down the spine of any angler worth their salt. The mere mention of this fish can set hearts racing and adrenaline pumping. This fish is a torpedo of pure muscle, a lightning bolt in the water. Its streamlined body and powerful tail make it one of the fastest swimmers in the ocean. Known for its blistering speed and aggressive strikes, the wahoo is a prized game fish. Anglers dream of the day they can hook into one of these magnificent creatures. Wahoo are not your average fish. They are the epitome of speed and power, a true marvel of the marine world. They are apex predators, the ultimate hunters of the open ocean. With razor-sharp teeth and an insatiable appetite, they dominate their environment. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for speed and agility. Every muscle, every fin is designed for one purpose: to move swiftly and strike with precision. Hooking into a wahoo is an experience like no other. The moment it takes the bait, you know you're in for a battle. The initial run is explosive, a burst of raw power that can strip line off your reel at an alarming rate. It's a test of both your equipment and your resolve. Battling a wahoo is a test of skill, strength, and determination. Every second is a struggle, a dance between angler and fish. But for those who succeed, the reward is a prized catch and a fishing story for the ages. It's a moment of triumph, a testament to the angler's prowess and perseverance. Wahoo are creatures of the open ocean. You won't find them lurking in the shallows or hiding among coral reefs. These fish are pelagic, meaning they inhabit the open water column far from shore. They prefer warm tropical and subtropical waters around the world. Look for them in areas with water temperatures between 70 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Wahoo are often found near underwater structures such as seamounts, drop-offs, and reefs. These areas attract bait fish, which in turn attract hungry wahoo. Current breaks are another prime location to find wahoo. These are areas where currents collide, creating upwellings of nutrient-rich water that attract bait fish and other prey. Wahoo are opportunistic predators feeding on a variety of prey. Their diet consists mainly of fish, squid, and crustaceans. Some of their favorite meals include flying fish, mackerel, tuna, and squid. They are also known to eat smaller wahoo, demonstrating their cannibalistic tendencies. Wahoo have a high metabolism and require a lot of food to fuel their active lifestyle. They're constantly on the move, searching for their next meal. Their sharp eyesight and keen sense of smell help them locate prey in the vast expanse of the ocean. Once they spot a target, they waste no time in launching a high-speed attack. Timing is everything when it comes to catching wahoo. These fish are more active during certain times of the year and day. The best time to target wahoo is during the warmer months when water temperatures are at their peak. This is when they are most actively feeding and more likely to strike at lures and baits. Wahoo are also more active during dawn and dusk. These low-light conditions provide them with a hunting advantage, as their prey is less likely to see them coming. Look for wahoo in areas with clear blue water and strong currents. These conditions are ideal for their hunting style and attract the bait fish that wahoo feed on. Catching wahoo requires specialized gear and techniques. These fish are strong fighters and can test the limits of your tackle. You'll need a heavy-duty rod and reel combo capable of handling their powerful runs. A high-speed reel is essential for quickly taking up slackline and keeping pressure on the fish. Wire leaders are a must when fishing for wahoo. Their sharp teeth can easily slice through monofilament or fluorocarbon lines. High-speed trolling is the most effective method for catching wahoo. Use lures that mimic the look and movement of their natural prey, such as brightly colored skirted lures, diving plugs, and spoons. When a wahoo strikes, hold on tight and be prepared for an exhilarating fight. The wahoo is a true trophy fish, a testament to the power and beauty of the ocean's apex predators. Their speed, agility, and predatory prowess make them a challenge to catch, but the reward is well worth the effort. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a newcomer to the sport, the thrill of hooking into a wahoo is an experience you won't soon forget. So gear up, head out to the open ocean, and prepare yourself for the fight of a lifetime.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.